dinosaur here! Baby dino! Huh? I can't see her! It's all my fault! If I had been more careful, my pet fish Trisha wouldn't have fallen in when I changed her water! Garu! She seems to have gone down the drain! Don't worry! Fish can swim! And she can survive in the sewer! No! I've taken care of Trisha since she was a baby! She doesn't know how to live on her own! Trisha isn't just a pet! She's my family! I must find her! If there was only a way to get into the drain! Garu! The badge knows! Let's say it together! Garu! Garu! Go, Dino! It's the Shrinking Crow Blaster! Don't worry, this will help! Could someone bring the fish tank over? Wow! It's the amazing Shrinking Crow Blaster! It can change the size of anything, but only for a little while. Oh! Amazing! How did you get it? My faraway friends helped me get it. So cool! I can't wait! Don't blink! Oh! Hooray! You're so tiny and cute, Nina! Now it's your turn! Will it hurt? You're all done? I didn't feel anything at all! Finally, it's my turn! Garu! Wow, my home is really big! Oh, what a new experience! Now we know what it's like to be a cockroach! Yuck! There are no cockroaches in my house! Let's go! Ah! Let's go to find Trisha! Huh? Trisha! Trisha! Where are you? There's no sign of her! Huh? Huh? Trisha, come back! Hey, look over there! Oh, it's my darling Trisha! Oh my! She's so big! Trisha, come back to your sweet home! Ow! Huh? Trisha, why did you do that to me? Huh? Don't be sad. That abandoned pipe only goes to one place. We can still get her. Come on! Whoa! Ha! Woo! Ah! Wah! Hey! Now's our chance! Hurry! Make the fish tank big again! Wow! Hooray! Next, make me bigger! Huh?
Wow, what great snacks!
Hey, let us go!
Garu, you poor little fish!
You big old meanie! Garu!
Wow, what a cool blaster!
It will belong to me!
Oh no!
Wow, Mr. Know-It-All! Your sunglasses are really awesome!
Ow! Oh man, I can't hit them at all!
Look at you!
It's time to give up!
Calm down, Dylan. You can do it. Aha! I know!
What happened?
Ha!
Garu!
Gosh, I'm so smart! Ah! Ah! Where'd it go? There's a trail of bubbles. Teresa, I finally found you. Let's go home, shall we? She looks so happy and free.
And she seems to be able to take care of herself.
I think you are right. She belongs in nature. It's better for her, so I will let her go. Goodbye! The train is moving! My cake is gone! The dinosaur detectives are here!